my loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Fercuzzy B. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. So guys, in today's video I will show you guys on how to do a basic express facial. I started with a basic cleanser which will help to take off dirt and debris from the skin. Then I just swipe it on with a cotton wool. I did this cleansing for about 3 minutes, making sure I go all over the face, including the other eye and the neck, the decline, every other part of the face and neck. I really took my time while doing this cleansing. After then, I clean off with my disposable sponge. So this is me cleaning it off. This will give way to using my first cleanse. So I'm not going to be using a foaming cleanser in this tutorial because as you can see, she's aged. So I'll be having it at the back of my mind of me trying to incorporate some jelly ingredients in this tutorial. So I will try as much as possible to stay away from any foaming cleanse or anything that will further drop the skin. I massage in this product for about 6 minutes. So I really took my time massaging this product because I really want her to feel relaxed, not just going over the face. I really want her to feel relaxed and at the same time have the best of this treatment. Once I'm done massaging the product in 5 or 6 minutes, I go ahead cleaning it off with my facial foam. Next, I go ahead with my exfoliating scrub. This scrub contains avocado, which helps to moisturize and also helps for anti-aging. I massage this in for some time. I didn't really take time with this exfoliating scrub. I just did the massaging not up to 10 minutes, then I take it off with same facial and foam. Now I'm applying aloe vera gel. This helps to calm, soothing, and help fight sunburn. So though she's not really having sunburn, but I just need to apply it, and also helps, this aloe vera gel also helps bring back moisture to the skin. I massage the aloe vera gel on her face for about 5 to 8 minutes before taking it off. I also took time massaging this product into her skin. This is the ultrasonic skin scrubber. This also helps to deeply cleanse the skin, and also it can be used for product penetration depending on what you actually want to use it for. It helps for cleansing and product penetration, and also do some other things. This is a portable vacuum suction device which helps to cleanse the pores. So it deeply cleans the pores and take off dead skin cells. After doing the vacuum suction treatment, I go ahead cleaning with a disposable facial foam, then followed by me applying the facial mask. So this is the facial mask. I applied it. After application of this facial mask, I let it sit for 3 minutes. I want to allow it to dry up completely because I still needed to keep the skin hydrated. After taking off the facial mask, I would go ahead applying hydrating toner to the skin. Afterwards, then I go ahead applying a face serum. So all of these things will also bring back hydration to the skin. So we have to leave the skin hydrated, and then afterwards I apply the face moisturizer and sunscreen. By the way, I applied the face moisturizer for about 10 minutes. I had to massage into the skin for about 10 minutes before doing the whole neck and shoulder massage. So guys, if you would like to watch how I did those massages, please stay tuned, watch to the end of this video. And if you've watched this part, thanks so much, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like this video. If you have a question or two, leave it down in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. And to my existing subscribers, thanks for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on the bell notification in order for you to get notification whenever I upload new videos. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. See you soon.